name is Michael Chavez, also known as Flamesword in the gaming and entertainment world. I've been fortunate to work with Turtle Wax 3 years in a row. Year 1 was with Optic Gaming, one of the leading esports teams in the scene. Year 2, Turtle Wax announced me as their first motorcycle ambassador. And in year 3, I pitched them a crazy idea to road trip from Lisbon, Portugal to Barcelona, Spain. Now, we are currently in Barcelona, Spain, the last city of destinations that we do hit, and this is the journey.
Burguesinha, suquinho de maçã. Ei, oh, ei, oh. Vai do cabeleireiro na casa praia, só gastando grana na maior não dá.
We are in Timeout Market, Lisbon. This is my last night with my family. They called it in early. They got an early flight. So the Timeout Market, there's a couple other ones around the world. I believe there was one in Portugal. Didn't know about it until we got here in Lisbon. Sister told me about it, so we had to check it out. Basically, they're just markets with your own chefs just everywhere. Obviously, when you go to travel different countries, different states, you're getting specific foods from each location. So here, you're getting everything. Portuguese people are usually known, or at my household, usually known for our codfish, a lot of fish. I mean a lot of fish, octopus, clams, mussels, scallops, shrimp, you name it, we probably eat it. To be able to come here and try whatever you want is just incredible.
I would definitely say food is like key to Portuguese. Like everyone loves to eat. Like I've never met a Portuguese person who is not gonna have a feast. But it's always like big portions of food, of course, like a lot of seafood, then there's the meats. Like our family, personally, like everyone will get together and have like a big dinner, and we do it normally. Like it's a weekly thing to get together and all see how one another is doing. It's very important how like we'll all sit around the table, no distractions, no phones. It's all about communicating and really seeing how each other's weeks went and how everyone's doing.
All right, got rid of the beard. Grew it out for like 2 years, which means that I was using a fork and knife to eat my burgers. It's gone. Still got the long hair, gotta throw it in the net. But now we can fully jump into this without any hesitation.
Maybe they did the survey, I don't know. Maybe that.
Oh my God. You don't know, I'm from Texas, so we are known for meat out there. And I can't even lie, this might be, I don't know if it's because I haven't been able to enjoy the full burger back in Texas, and I'm using a fork and knife, but this is out of this world.
I don't know.
No bullshit, it might be the best burger in the world. Born in Jersey, love using ketchup on absolutely everything. It hasn't even crossed my mind to go ask or even locate where I can find some to throw it on this. My good friend Big Timer would say, no bullshit, Mike Shreddy's taking 4 bites. We probably won't have another good burger like this, so I'm gonna enjoy this right now.
I'm proud of Mike. He gets to do something that he truly loves, which, you know, that's what our generation's about, is doing something you truly love and care for. And it's nice to see him actually succeed. Like, when I was younger, I'd always be like, really, video games, like, that's what you're gonna do? Like, are you serious? But at the end of the day, as I grew older, I was like, that's actually really dope. It's cool. Like, congratulations.
This is the beginning of my solo dolo trip. I enjoyed it with my family. Now I'm going to venture on my own. This is what Portuguese culture is all about. We're going to move into Spain. We're going to see what that's also about, but we're going to enjoy ourselves tonight with one final drink before we head out. So there's a Portuguese fest in the town where we live in. And I thought that was crazy, but in comparison to this, I feel like I'm in a child's amusement park when I'm back home. Oh my God. Here the beauty is, we've been informed that it is indeed female and not male. It's kind of obvious with that right there. My family trip is now officially over. It is now time for the adventurer to go on a nice journey. Currently in Lisbon, Portugal. We're gonna go to Cadiz, Spain, from there to Gibraltar, Spain, to Valencia, and end up in Barcelona. We're gonna see how many things we could just find ourselves getting into, man. That's the whole purpose of this. Don't wanna stay whatsoever in a hostel, a hotel, Airbnb, none of that. I wanna like fully embrace myself into the culture, and no better way than this. Never done this whatsoever in my life. Not at all. Craziest thing I think I've ever done. I've done a couple road trips, but all in America, and they were always planned by my godmother, my aunt. It was always like from Jersey to Maine. We did, I think, Southern California up to Yosemite. Made it all the way up to there from South California. But it was never something like this. Like this has beds in it, this has a sink, this has a refrigerator, this has a shower in the back. Like, never done anything like this. One of my most favorite quotes of all time, do one thing every single day that you fear. And for an entire week, 1000%, I would for sure enjoy being in the comfort of a hotel, just safety, knowing that I always have a spot to go to. This is going to be an eye-opener for me. I'm turning 30 at the end of the year, so this is kind of like one of those things on the 30 before 30, so I'm pretty excited for that. There's gonna be a lot of things to do. I'm also really hungry, so we gotta finish this pack job, put some fuel in the car, last bag, and we are done.